We focus on underperforming schools in Massachusetts undergoing school turnaround process, and we found that for schools, and combine this effort with comprehensive student support, like City Connects, test scores went up more than other schools that did not combine their school turnaround process with comprehensive student support intervention. So my name is Haibin Jiang. I'm a senior researcher at the Center for Thriving Children at Boston College. In this study, we focus on underperforming schools in Massachusetts that went through a school turnaround process. And we found that with comprehensive student support intervention, they do better than similar schools not combining this process. So in order to have better understanding about the role City Connects on those underperforming schools, I think it's really important to take into account the impact of the turnaround itself. On top of that, we can evaluate how City Connect can help those turnaround schools. According to state legislation, schools underperforming for a long time need to restructure their school and their instruction to meet certain state standard. A lot of change happened in the school. So there could be a high turnover of teachers, change of the classmates. So for students who come from disadvantaged circumstances, those services would be essential for them to get through this process. Schools implementing City Connects during their school turnaround process, their math score increased by 0.16 standard deviation. Their ELA score increased by 0.14 standard deviation. And this can be translated to about 1/4 to 1/3 of a school year's instruction. In the literature, there's evidence show that for schools undergoing school turnaround process, it's really important to have a systematic intervention and support for students to address their out-of-school factors or barriers. In this study, we found quantitative evidence showing that schools combining their turnaround process with comprehensive student support do better. So for policymakers, it is important for them to know that in order for schools to have effective restructuring to address achievement gap, they have to combine this effort with interventions that can address student out-of-school factors and multi-tiered intervention that can tailored for student specific needs are very important to achieve the goal of restructuring schools.